Hi friends! Today I'm so excited to show you this new product that I'm just gonna try today. These ones. This is an excellent product for picnics, barbecue, for your home if you love meat. These are meat trading claws, stainless steel. Look at this. I love it because are so crafty, are so beautiful. Look, this steel is so anti-scalding for 20 stainless steel, and is durable, is secure for your food, and you can use this in any occasion that are made in your home. I have this piece of meat here, and I want to show you how I use it for opening my meat. Look, this process is so easy, it's so practice, and it's ready. My meat is already cooked. So practice. This is a perfect accessory for your barbecues and picnics. Look. And you can use it to mix your salads. It's perfect. To mix or serve. And the best part are that it's so easy to clean. You just have to put some water in it. And look, it's clean, just with water. So the best part is that this one that can help you to open your drink and enjoy it with your food. So cheers! I highly recommend it. See you!